guys, the bathroom also needs special attention to always look clean and tidy. For example, there are no towels that are just placed carelessly, there are no toiletries and makeup scattered on the table, so that there is no trash scattered on the floor. Make sure to provide a storage area for all the knickknacks for bathroom needs, thus keeping the bathroom neat and beautiful, as well as efficient because it makes it easier to find things in their place. This will greatly affect the comfort of you and your whole family. Here we have a number of reference bathroom storage ideas. But before that, don't forget to click the like and share button. For those of you who have not subscribed, please click subscribe and activate the bell button now. Thank you.